This is Mike Zagelski back with you. I want to show you today how to go from a hang-up motor to a bench mount motor. The tools you're going to need are just simply a regular flathead screwdriver and our base and yoke. You can find it in our catalog or on our website. First thing you're going to want to do is to unplug your machine from the power source, your speed control. Bring it off your motor hanger and lay it down flat. Now that your motor is down on the tabletop, what you want to do is take your flathead screwdriver and remove the shouldered screws that are found on your bail. Put them aside and keep them in a plastic bag marked for what they are in case you ever want to go back for a hang-up style motor. Once they're removed, you remove the bail and bring your base and yoke over. Your base and yoke will come with 2 screws with plastic washers. What you want to do, they'll be on the inside, take them out, plastic washer will be used on the inside and the screws will come in from the outside. There's an indentation in your base. That's the front. Now you put your screw in just a little bit. Sometimes it helps if you put a little grease on the washer to help it slide over the motor. You don't want to thread your screws on, you just want them to be sitting right there. Important to try and keep your cord in the back. Line up your hole with your screw and place it down very gently. Once it's in place, you might need to tap it down a little bit with your hand to get it in place. One easy way to do that is to take the screw out, get a small screwdriver like your little Foredom one, insert it in until you can line up the hole. There we go. Once that's lined up, that pin part will go in and you can start putting in your screw. The upper threaded hole is the one where your shoulder screw that held the hanging bail came out of. The new screw, as you can see, has got a rounded lower portion and that goes in the lower hole. Put it in a little bit, then start on the other side. Line it up by inserting the other screwdriver into the post hole, which is unthreaded in the motor. Pull it out, put the screw back in, and now you're ready to go. Now that everything lines up, thread the screws on, tighten them up. And you're good to go. We practiced this a little bit beforehand, before filming, and let me tell you, it can be a little tricky and daunting. What you want to do is you want to practice a little bit on your own. Make sure you've got a very small screwdriver, a little bit of grease. Take your time and don't worry, you're going to get this.